Does PUBG Mobile get stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the issue. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check and set the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. And if it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Update PUBG Mobile. Open the App Store, tap PUBG Mobile. Now, if you find any new updates, then please update the app. But if you don't find any updates, then skip to Solution 3. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search PUBG Mobile, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Solution 4. Check iPhone Storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you're running out of storage, then free up some iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games, and delete some photos and videos to free up space. And then restart your iPhone. After following these steps, I hope one of these processes will fix the PUBG Mobile stuck on loading screen on your iPhone. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.